Chopping with Sofia. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a grilled cheese. The first step is to wash your hands, so. Get your bread. It absolutely has to be Mrs.
Baird's bread.
Get your 2 slices, and then you get butter.
This is butter.
You have a butter knife, and you get butter, and you put it on bread. Do you hear that? Wow. Ew. Okay, I'm done with that. Okay, now you go to your pan, and you get spray, and then turn on the heat to that much. Okay, while that's heating up, I'm gonna call Jada, because why not?
Hi.
Hi! Guess what I'm making?
Your food?
It's a grilled cheese.
We're just gonna do like 10.
What?
What?
Anyways, I think it's preheated now. So get one of your slices of bread, and you're gonna put it in a pan, and you have to make sure the butter side is down. Ooh, tingle tangle.
This is cheese.
We don't have cheddar cheese. Hello. I love you.
Bye, I love you.
This is cheese.
So put a slice on your bread, and then you just grab your other piece of bread, and then put the butter side up. You need a spatula. Spatula?
A spatula.
And then you check the bottom. Ooh, wait, ready for this? Golden. Golden. While this is finishing cooking, I'm gonna get a plate. This is like, I've seen a video of the same brand, and like supposedly these aren't supposed to break, but then he like threw it on the ground and it didn't break, and then he did it again and it shattered. Okay, so that's done. Make sure you turn off your heat, because if you don't, your mom's gonna yell at you, and that's scary if you have my mom. Rude. I see you. Okay, we're gonna cut it in half. Ooh. That's nice. Should I have my dad eat it? You wanna taste this?
Yes, I do.
It's
Okay. Amazing.
Do you want it?
Yes. Wonderful. I'm glad I could help.
Well, that's it.
Okay. See you next time on
Chopping
Choppin'
with Sophia.
Survival tip of the day, social distancing. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and
Turn on your notifications.